I just thought I'd let everybody know that I am coming back to Thailand at the end of this month. I'm leaving April 30th. I will not land till May 2nd just because of the way the flights are scheduled. But before I came to Thailand the first time, I came up to this location, the hill just above the little town where I grew up, overlooking the Salt Lake Valley and the mountains in the distance, to say that I was coming to Thailand the first time. Probably see the white on the mountains way there in the back there. We got a lot of snow up there this year. And also the hills down here are greening nicely. So we should have a good water year in Utah. After I land in Bangkok, I'm going to take a taxi down to a city called Pattaya. I will be there for 1 week. I was going to meet with a guy who he was going to kind of mentor me, tell me some of the ways I can get settled, get things squared away. So I will have a successful retirement experience. But he was diagnosed with cancer, and he's been in the hospital getting chemotherapy and radiation treatments for several weeks now. He might not be up to it when I get there. He's really up and down, so I hope Kev in Thailand, that's his YouTube channel, Kev in Thailand. I hope he gets feeling better soon. Once I get into Pattaya, I will spend a week just kind of trying to get settled, open a bank account, just kind of relax. And then I will take a flight from Pattaya down to a city called Hat Yai in the Songkhla province, which is south, not that far from the Malaysian border. Then coming back to the northern part of Thailand, I'm not really sure, but I'll just play it by ear. I don't need to get settled down too quickly, and there's a lot of the country I haven't seen yet. Wish me luck. I hope everything goes well. I hope the flights are all on time and safe. I'm not flying on any American carriers other than Southwest from here to Los Angeles, because those seats in the American carriers are just too tiny for a body like mine. So I hope I will do better. Since we moved out of my mother's home and I moved out to West Valley City, a little farther into the middle of the valley, I keep coming back to Magna, my little hometown, just to go down the street and see it, because I grew up here. It has a lot of memories, and it's gonna be difficult leaving it behind, but better things are on the horizon, right? So I look forward to the new challenges and the new opportunities. And I will try to bring you along and show you as much of what I'm doing as possible. So hang in there, guys. I'll start sending more or posting more videos as soon as I get there. So take care. Thank you for your support, and see you soon.